National Commission for Women hakajingi trelang bat Kementerian State Women Commission mentagasi kelap penolong yaka regional level consultation halor kajingi kun persya yaki kam khayi yaki kentei kena hakatan chtai lam mingi ha North Eastern Council Auditorium Shillong. Kajing tumu jong kani kajingi lang kalong ban kenti yaki kam trei kam bani kun persya yaki kam khayi yaki kentei kena hakatan ban pensapreng jing tip apreng kilong kemi bat ki kena kentei kajing a jing hikai yaki kenhon anti trafficking unit ban penklan yaki kendon an. Haba ajingkran Karika Sharma, Chairperson National Commission for Women, Klaya ro yaka jinglong jingman jongki long kemi hakatan chate lam mingi, bat yaka jing don bor jongki habaro kilyang. Ka Sharma kala banjur halor banwan ra yaki rukam trekam bathamai hakabiyade bat kilat ya jing yada bat ki jing pristom ha ka jing khai kentei namar bahakan katan ka don ki kaput bari bat kiri Bangladesh, Nepal bat Myanmar.
And North Eastern Council and all of you to work on this menace, and we have to do together. Not one of us can control this because traffickers have got long hands. They have got all the facilities of the world, and they have a very nice networking. Especially digitally, they are connected with each other. But I think somewhere the police, especially the units which are specially for anti-human trafficking units, they are not still properly trained to work on it. Though everybody is now working and talking about the training of these units, but still we have to do much more